Hello students, let us see one more numerical example on calculation of leverages. Now in this example we will be calculating all three leverages: operating leverage, financial leverage as well as composite leverage. So the example is, a company has sales of rupees 5 lakhs, variable cost of rupees 3 lakhs, fixed cost of rupees 1 lakh and long term loans of rupees 4 lakhs at 10% rate of interest. Calculate the composite leverage. Now they have in this example it is asked to calculate composite leverage, but to calculate composite leverage we have to calculate both the operating as well as financial leverage. So let us have a look at the solution. So first of all we need to know the formulas for calculating all these leverages. The formula for calculating operating leverage is contribution divided by earnings before interest and tax, that is the operating profit. So the contribution is sales minus variable cost. So the sales are rupees 5 lakhs and variable cost is rupees 3 lakhs. So 5 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, we have a contribution of rupees 2 lakhs. Then the EBIT or earnings before interest and tax or operating profit. So that is calculated by deducting the fixed cost from contribution. So the contribution is 2 lakhs and the fixed cost is 1 lakh. So the EBIT or earning before interest and tax is rupees 1 lakh. So the operating leverage will be rupees 2 lakhs divided by rupees 1 lakh, that comes to 2. Then we come to the calculation of financial leverage. Now financial leverage is EBIT, earning before interest and tax, divided by EBIT minus I, that is interest. So EBIT is what? Sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost. So EBIT will be the operating profit, that is 1 lakh rupees, which we have already calculated while calculating operating leverage. Then from that EBIT we have to deduct the interest. So the interest will be calculated on long term loan of rupees 4 lakhs and the rate of interest is 10%. So the amount of interest will be rupees 40,000. Okay, so from EBIT we deduct rupees 40,000. So EBIT is uh, rupees 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus 40,000. So that comes to rupees 60,000. So financial leverage will be rupees 1 lakh, that is EBIT, divided by EBIT minus interest, that is 60,000. So the financial leverage is 5 divided by 3, or you can calculate it as 1.67. Then we calculate the third point, that is composite leverage. So what is composite leverage? It is operating leverage multiplied by financial leverage. So 2 by 1 into 5 by 3, that is equal to 10 by 3. Or alternatively, composite leverage will be 2 into 1.67. So the composite leverage will be 3.34. So students, I hope you'll have understood this numerical example. So in the next video, we'll see some more examples on leverages. Thank you.